The third part.
I'm going to tell you the world's most captivating, attractive, and beautiful bird is the golden partridge. Most of us would have probably heard about pheasants, but there would be very few people who might have ever seen a pheasant or had any knowledge about it. It doesn't matter if you are also one of them. You are about to know about the world's most beautiful bird and golden pheasant. They have a very shiny and attractive crown of golden color, which is made of hair on their head. The black ant on their neck makes them beautiful and attractive. Their colorful feathers and tail add to their beauty even more. They are mostly found in western and central China, and their length is up to 42 inches, which is the most beautiful bird in the world.
The second part.
Scarlet macaw can also be called the most innocent bird in the world. Seeing them, one gets attracted by their beauty and innocence. They are found in the forests of Central and South America. Scarlet macaw has a curved beak which looks very cute. Their colorful feathers also look very attractive. Their upper wings are yellow, with green edges, and the upper and lower wings are blue and red, making them very attractive and beautiful while flying. The scarlet macaw can grow up to 80 to 90 centimeters in length and weigh up to 1.5 kilograms. Along with this, it can fly at a speed of 35 miles per hour. Scarlet macaw has a maximum lifespan of 75 years. It is the second most beautiful bird in the world.
The third part.
Flamingos are one of the most famous birds in the world. They have a special thing: their color and their length. The length of flamingos can be from 3 to 5 feet, and their weight can be up to 3.5 kilograms. Flamingos are found on every continent except Antarctica. They have only one mate and they lay only one egg per year. These birds of saffron and pink color are considered to be the third most beautiful birds in the world. Due to their nature, they are considered a symbol of happiness and fun. Their wonderful orange and pink feathers add to their beauty. A special feature of flamingos is that they often live in colonies, and they can number in thousands. They are sometimes also called birds of paradise, which reflects their beauty and their softness.